very much. And hi everyone, I am Leyla Kapı Kurtul, and today I'm going to explain to you my master thesis. The name is that BabyTube, and it's Ruby on Rails based automatic video and image tagging application. Before I start my presentation, I want to say thank you very much to İzmir Demokrasi University to create an international engineering Sempozyumu, and it's bringing all of us in the virtual meeting. And also I want to say thank you very much to special thank you to my advisor, to Dr. Mary Chetan. And before I start to my presentation, I want to introduce myself. I am Leyla Kapı Kurtul, and I'm graduated from Pamukkale University as a bachelor and master. And now I am living in Hamburg, in Germany. So I'm working in a special company as a Ruby on Rails developer. Let's start our presentation. And I'm going to, if we look at my presentation, I will explain to short introduction, and then I'm going to explain purpose of my application and which technology I'm using and the analysis of that and how the application is working. Actually, I want to show the code of the project and the AI and the algorithm behind of that, but the time is limited. So I just show to you the screenshot of that. And if you're curious after, then you can send me an email and I can share with you the code and what is the algorithm behind of that. And the last part is of course, answer and questions from you. If you are very curious, then let's start about it. The introduction, of course, the technology, as you know, they make people's lives easier in every period of history. But when they make people's life easier, is going to be bringing some bad habits and bad behavior behind of that. That point is bringing my opinion to alive. So my opinion is that technology is most of that affected the children and babies, of course, in the generation Z period. So in the generation Z, like last 20 years, yeah, of course, last 20 years is going to be for children and babies when the tablets and phone is in our life, the children start to using tablets and phones or TVs a lot, and that videos which children is watching is affected to our life. Yeah, and this is actually the purpose of the application is that my purpose of the application is to contribute to mental development by reducing harmful effect on individual in every childhood. So when the children or babies watching the videos to protect them and watching more in the safety area, not just didn't allow to watching videos or something like that. It's watch videos, but also protect from the subliminal messages or some advertisement. My application provide to make YouTube or every video platform to make more safe for children and babies. And which technology I am using behind of that? Which technology which I use? I use Ruby programming languages, which I'm familiar with that. Maybe someone knows about. And I'm using Ruby on Rails also, web framework. And in the database, I'm using PostgreSQL. And from front-end technology, I'm using Haml and SAS and Bootstrap, CoffeeScript. Maybe someone is familiar with that. And also I'm using Metrica API. This is provided by Yandex. And it is showing to mouse movement for your children when they're watching the videos, and also showing your finger movements inside of the screen. And also I'm using Clarify API also. It's providing image processing behind of that. And also it's writing by Node.js, with Node.js. Yeah, the analyze how it's working actually the videos processing in my application. I want to show a small videos, just 5 seconds. Just waking up a big rabbit, as you see in the videos. I hope you can see and watching it. Yeah, just 5 seconds. And when we are analyzing that videos, it's bringing us and showing us some text. That text means that object which are using inside of the project, like nature, grass, pet, garden, and tree and animal. This is also going to be much more than, but also it's shown and give us the truth value of that is, for example, the percentage of 98% is inside of that 5-second videos, no person or its nature or pet. It's going to be like until %0 is a truth value of that. But you can, of course, categorize it and getting most using the text or object inside of the videos. I am saying text because I use text in my application. And here also it's as an object, of course. And that 5 seconds and video analyzes approximately 2 seconds, 2.32 seconds. And connection speed is from Hamburg. And you can see connection in 11 ms, download and upload megabit speed. So you can see it. And it's, I think, nice. But of course, when the video is going to be bigger, then your analysis is going to be, it's take much more time to getting all the text from that. Yeah, as we said. Yeah, how BabyTube is working, how my application is working. My application have a basic interface actually. It's this web application, and for now we are going to be develop the mobile application for that. But for now, just we have the web application, and yeah, it's going to be it's Turkish, of course, the interface, because I made the presentation from my university, Pamukkale University, so it's Turkish, but it's going to be added to multi-languages to my application. So when you click to Yeni Video Ekle, then it's going to be upload the videos. And here in the right side, you can see just your video formatting should be MP4, and then upload your file, video file. And then inside of the console, you can see here, the all text is bringing, when you upload the videos, as I said, it's sending to my API, my backend, and then bringing to all, after analyze the videos, is bringing all the text with the truth value as a value here, and getting to app ID and many things inside of that. But just the important thing is that the name and the value of the video which is inside of that. Then after analyzing that, then saving inside of the database and showing the text and of course the videos. Why we are showing the text or after analyze the video? We need that text because, for example, you are parents and you can log in as a parent to do my application, and you didn't want to allow your children watch videos like if include some alcohol things or sexual things inside of the video. You don't want to allow to watch your children. So you can add your also forbidden text inside of the application, and you can say if the videos inside of the videos include alcohol things or sexual or another things, you want to forbidden that video to your children. So this is also possible with my application. How you can do that? When the video is uploaded, then it's saving actually to database. But if you are added some forbidden text to your parent profile, then you couldn't also upload as alcohol videos to your platform. So then your children cannot watching to that kind of videos. Yeah, this is also providing for children and parents. This is very helpful for children actually. And also my application is provide if your children have some disease. For example, nowadays many children and babies suffer from the lack of the concentration, and couldn't concentrate something or couldn't speak very well, or speaking very lately according to their age. So this is also, you can add some text, and you can the application bring to you some special videos about how you can teach your children and which videos is helpful for your children. This is also very important actually. This is also the point of my application, to not just for every children, also for special children, like if you have some autism, for example, is also showing some videos for parents and also for children inside of the application. And also what you can do, everyone in Turkey also watching to YouTube for children, and I think every children is watch Nilo'ya, and you can add also YouTube ID here which I'm showing in the blue. And you can copy that YouTube ID inside of the application. And then you can also analyze it, and then getting all the tags which using inside of the Niloya to inside of the application. And then you can decide your children can watch Niloya or not. For now, it's just showing from the YouTube to watching all the system. But in the next version, we are planning also to going to be watching from the baby tube, and then forbidden from the baby tube, not just didn't allow to your children. Yeah, I hope it's going to be finished in the next generation, in next version. Yeah, actually, the basic summary of my presentation is that's all, because yeah, the time is we have